Hey y'all, welcome back to Total Eclipse of the Heart, where it's always about love, money, karma, or greed. Let's read. Let's read. We're going to start off with four. 444 protection. 4 oracles, and then we're going to clarify with 3. 333, support from the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Tarot cards. Give us 4, please. Oh, shit. You seen it? Oh, may the bridge you burn light your path, your way. Somebody is being left behind. You're not the type of person that deserves to be a follower, collective. Don't be a follower. Send the text. Oh, one on the floor. Chaos. What's the worst that could happen? Send the text. Go ahead and send it. What's the worst that could happen? Follow the call of the disco ball. Follow the call of the disco ball. And one hit the floor, you know it's chaos out here. So go on and send the text. What's the worst that could happen? You're not no follower. And if the bridge is burnt, it's going to light your way to a new path. That's all. That's all. You didn't see the cards. You see them. Okay, let's clarify. May the bridge you burn light the way. Is that all 3 at the same time? Oh, that's too many. But I got to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 666 is reflect. Somebody's reflecting on the past. Something that happened in the past. I gotta take these. Oh, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is luck. Burn that bridge. Go on and burn it. Let it burn. Let it burn. I should say let it burn. May the bridge you burn light your way. Or light the way. Because the King of Pentacles is waiting. Coming forth. This is the 3 of Wands. They waiting on you. And this one keep hiding. The Hermit. The Hermit. Hold on. Because this Hermit is different. Somebody's lonely. This is loneliness. This is loneliness collective. This person got everything they could want. Materialistic. Materially, they got everything they could want, but they're lonely. And they're waiting. 6 of Swords. Look at this 6 of Swords. This is leaving. Somebody's leaving. 5 of Swords. Conflict behind. They leaving conflict behind. Knight of Pentacles. And coming towards you. 4 of Swords. They waiting for you to recover. They feel like you need to do some type of recovery. Some kind of healing. It's like you healing and this person is waiting for you to heal because they left some kind of conflict behind. They're moving forward. They're waiting for you though. They've been lonely. This person got their shit together too, collected. So it's like you went through something and now you're healing and now this person is waiting for you to like come and or show up or but may the bridge you burn light the way. That's what that's saying. Show us more about you not the type to be a follower. You're not the type. Maybe they thought you was naive and you was going to do what they wanted you to do. Yeah. Why they do what they want to do? Joe? Okay. 6 of, it looked like spades. Swords is in reverse. No, this is the 9. The 9. 9 is usually extreme. Extreme depression. Somebody not depressed, I feel like you healing. You healing. That's why they saying you not on some following shit. Oh, look at them tearing my shit up. You see this? How are you gonna tear up my shit? But look, haha, I got all crystals, and the last one is amethyst for intuition. I already see what you're trying to do, but I prayed and ring the bell for God to send down the archangels and guide this message. You heard? Back to it. 3 of Pentacles. This is somebody networking, trying to collaborate, juggling, cause you healing. They trying to find out what you up to. Somebody trying to find out what you up to. Collective judgment. Yeah, they made a wrong choice. They made the wrong decision. Now this is a viewpoint, looking at things from a different perspective. This is like something renewal, something trying to renew something. Somebody trying to renew something after juggling and you healing. The novice of cups. They want to move forward with a new relationship, a new friendship. Let's start off as friends. Just me and you. Just me and you, I just heard. But you not the type of person to follow nobody. You ain't about to fall for no drama. Send a text. What's the worst that can happen? Clarify that, please. A King of Wands. This the Poom Poom Man. The Poom Poom Man. Send the text to the Poom Poom Man. Come on, what's the worst that can happen? Go on and tell him. You've been wanting to tell him. Oh, death is in reverse. Things will change for the better. This is not over. If you send this text, something ain't gonna be over. Because somebody waiting anyway for you to heal. Collective. Then what is going on? The 7 of Wands. This person is somebody's guarding here. They guarding something. They know the truth, but they guarding something. They guide the what? The 9 of Wands. Like, this was like a delay or a misfortune. Because of failure, some kind of ruins. Somebody feel like a failure. They feel like they missed an opportunity. This is like, and they don't want something to end. They didn't want something to end. It wasn't meant to end. They was waiting. So maybe this is them that wants that, you know, I feel like they want to send a text and they afraid of what will happen. But the ether is saying, go on and send the text. What's the worst can happen? And what the worst that can happen is that you don't get the text because you're going to respond. I feel like you will. Somebody, show me what this is. Follow the call of the disco ball. What is that talking about? Show me. 2. Alignment. 1 is up and 1 is down. The 3 of chalice. This is a collaboration. A celebration. Something like a party or a get-together. And this is in reverse. This is a collaboration, a celebration, a get-together. That's why I said the disco ball. Maybe it's a party. Maybe it's the club. Maybe it's the bar. I don't know. But it's somebody getting together, celebrating something. And then the high priestess came in reverse. So this is some type of, somebody don't have the intuition or the wisdom. They judge something in the past wrong. 8 of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. This is money out here. Queen of Pentacles and the 8 of Pentacles. Somebody putting in the work and want to offer some kind of financial assistance. Don't be tardy for the party. That's what I just heard. Who is that? Kim Zodiac is out here. Don't be tardy for the party, collective. That's what I just heard. I ain't heard that in a whole long time. Ring the bell on for Kim Zodiac. I love her. That's my dog. I don't know her personally, but I like her style. Okay. So it's saying that the whole message here is that somebody may feel like they burnt a bridge. They made a wrong turn. They was delayed, or they took too long to return, and they feel like they want to rekindle something, and why you was recovering or healing, it's like this person was getting their self together, and they actually lost something, but they gained something at the same time. So maybe they lost some kind of friendship or some kind of support or some kind of finance or something to this effect, but they gained knowledge or wisdom because they didn't have it in the beginning, because I feel like they missed this opportunity because you are not the type to be led or put on hold or delayed, like maybe why they juggle. I don't know if they put you in a third party, or if they felt like, why did you leave, or why did you stay so long? They was waiting for a text, but they never got a text, or you was waiting for a text and you never got a text. Take it how it resonates. But somebody feels like they took too long to make a decision. And now that they have got some kind of clarity and they got their self together, or they feel like they are worthy, they're afraid to send the text. They think the worst that could happen is that they already burnt the bridge. But there's something going to happen, some kind of celebration, some kind of follow the call of the disco ball is saying something is going to happen where you are going to meet again. Y'all going to see each other. It's going to be like a celebration or a holiday or a birthday or get together or a club, something to that effect, where other people are going to be there gathered together. It could be a dinner, I don't know, but it's something in that manner, and they're going to tell you about, they're going to express their true feelings, or you going to express your true feelings. That's the read. Like, share, and boop, boop, boop. Subscribe, leave a comment, and I hope this helps. I hope this helps, collective. That's the read.